Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the JBL Charge 4. So these are a 30-watt speaker, and I was able to purchase this for about 10,300 rupees from the Amazon Prime Day sale. Generally they do sell for around 13,000 rupees, and if you're interested in purchasing these speakers, there'll be a link in the description which you can use to buy. Let's go through the box first. On the back, we have some features highlighted. It can be used as a power bank. It features the JBL Connect Plus option through which we can connect multiple speakers. It is IPX7 waterproof and it supports up to 20 hours of playtime. On the box, the MRP quoted is around 15,999 rupees, so approximately 16,000 rupees. And then we have the JBL punchline, the Dare to Leap. Let's cut the seal and let's unbox the speaker now. Okay, so this opens up. Here we have a paper tray which says Charge 4. It's actually styrofoam. We have the speaker here. Feels heavy. I think it's around 900 grams, 950 grams. We'll keep it to the side and let's see what else do we have. So we have this paper tray. We have some quick start guide and some documentation. We'll keep that to the side. We have some silica gel, and we also have our Type-C cable with some red accents, and this looks like a reversible USB-A adapter kind of a thing, which is good. That's about it for the box. We'll keep it to the side and we'll have a look at the speaker itself. Let me give you an overview. On the top we have the power button, the Bluetooth connection button, the plus minus which is for the volume. This is the play and pause. This is for the JBL Connect Plus feature which we can use to connect multiple JBL speakers together. Here's the JBL branding, and the one which I have is in black color obviously, and it has this fabric texture to it which I think should protect against scratches, and if by mistake we stuck a knife to it, it won't actually hurt this. We have the passive bass radiators on both the sides, and here is the plastic door behind which we have a Type-C port, an audio jack and a USB port. This USB port is used to actually charge your other devices while using this particular speaker as a power bank, and this is the Type-C port which would be used to charge the speaker. JBL promises up to 20 hours of battery life. We'll see about that. Let's power it on, let's connect it to my phone and let's listen. So it's turned on now. Let's it's still searching for it. Okay, there we go. JBL Charge 4. So we are now paired, and it gave a certain chime that it has paired now. Let's play some songs. I'll be playing copyright-free songs, obviously. This is actually really loud, and I'm really surprised by the kind of output it has. So let's continue. So let's play another song. This is actually very impressive. I'm actually smiling right now. It's that good. So yeah, I'm overall really impressed with the speakers. Initial impressions are absolutely fantastic, and I'm actually smiling right now. It's that good. We also have this charging LED indicator here, which shows how much percentage of battery is left. So we have 5 indicators, and it currently shows 4 indicators, so about 80% of battery is there. This also has a rubber feet so that it can be stable on a particular table surface and it doesn't move around. So that would be it, guys, for the unboxing and overview video of the JBL Charge 4. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.